G'day, Pete Techman Coman here at CES 2020 in Las Vegas. And we always find lots of amazing new tech here at CES. Lots of weird and wonderful things. Nothing ever surprises what we will find when we walk the aisles of CES. And what we found today, and we have our beautiful model Ben here, and Ben is going to demonstrate to us how the Phonesoap works. And it's a mobile device disinfection station. So you wave your hand over the sensor, you place your phone in there, the door closes, you wait for 30 seconds, and what this does is it kills all germs on your phone. So I'm not too sure where Ben's phone may have been, but he's probably going to be much better for this service by sanitizing his phone. There we go, 30 seconds later. Look at that, perfectly clean, just like new. Check these guys out, Phonesoap.